How to sign up to Sweat Wallet app. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way on how you can sign up to the Sweat Wallet app. You can find this app on both Google Play Store and App Store. So you'll first have to download the application. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Sweat Wallet application. And once you do that, you'll have different options to log into your account. So if you tap on other methods, if you have a secret phrase that you have previously written down somewhere, you can enter the username or secret phrase here. But if you want to continue with Google, just tap on Google and select a preferred Google account. So here I have selected my Google account. And if you already have an account, you can just log in, or if you want to create a new one, that's all right as well. I'm just going to log into my existing account. And what you need to do here is go ahead and check in this subject line. So you just have to copy this subject line and open up your email and find your email to log in. And if this is your first time, then you will get an email immediately. So go ahead and check your email. I'm just going to open up my email right here. So what you're going to do here is paste the line that you've just copied to find the previous email. Now, all you need to do is scroll down a bit and you'll have an option to log into your Sweat wallet. Tap on log into your Sweat wallet and then tap on login again. And you should be able to successfully log into your Sweat wallet. And as you can see here, I've successfully logged in. And that's how you can sign up for Sweat Wallet. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.